Section 4 of 1001 Questions and Answers on English Grammar. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Verity Kendall. 1001 Questions and Answers on English Grammar by Benjamin Hathaway. Articles. Question 1. What is the general character of the article? The articles are adjective words used with nouns to limit their meaning. Question 2. Name them and state their origin. The weakened form of the demonstrative adjective that. A or an, a weakened form of the numeral one. Question 3. How are articles divided? Into definite and indefinite. Question 4. State the use of each. A. A definite article makes the noun denote some particular thing. The is the only one in the language, and may be used before nouns either singular or plural, as the man, the children. B. An indefinite article leaves the meaning of the modified noun general. A is used before words beginning with a consonant sound, an before those beginning with a vowel sound, as a company, an organ, an army. End of section 4. Read by Verity Kendall.